Hey, good morning guys. Welcome to another episode of Rule. I'm getting in an early start this morning because I want to get some chores done before my weekend begins. And I got plenty of stuff to do. I cleaned the workshop up, but now it's one big freaking mess again. Look at that. It's a mess because I had to build a little house for the rabbits. Look at these cuties. Our chickens are not the nicest chickens. Well, they're cute and all, but they got a lot of attitude and they can be pretty bossy like most women are, but they're like a whole different level. They're crazy. They're on its own level. And therefore, I had to build the chicken this little coop. The rabbits are happy, the kids are happy, but this morning I woke up and I heard the most annoying noise ever, and I already know what that is. It's the little starlights. They're so annoying. They get up into my house, in my roof, up there, and then they start wiggling at it until they make a hole in my roof. And it's not just one, it's a lot of them. And I can't do anything about them because they're legally protected, but I can fix the problem so they don't wake me up in the morning anymore. Under these roof tiles there's plastic stuff and that's supposed to keep the bird out, but it doesn't. So now I gotta put stuff in that keeps the bird out. I gotta protect the house, and slowly I'm filling up the gaps, and I checked everything, but every time they find a new hole, and these birds, they find the tiniest holes and crawl into it. So I'm gonna put some steel wire in. But like the plastic things, well, they just pull it off or pull it to the side and just walk through. It's like, it's not even there. I think that did the trick, at least I hope so, but we're gonna find out tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. because that's when they get active and that's when I'm sleeping, and then I'll know if it worked or not. I do hope so. And now it's cleanup time for the workshop. Get rid of this big freaking mess. So I cleaned up the whole workshop. Everything's ready for me to start working now. But I looked at the time and it says I got 45 minutes left to get the kids ready to go to soccer, because they're gonna go to a soccer thing all day, and you know what that means. The kids are out of the house. It doesn't mean I get to do these chores. I don't get to work because if the kids are gone, I gotta do something with the wife. So I don't have any time to do any chores, so just clean the workshop. Every time you want to do something, you clean up, you prepare, you get everything ready, and then boom, something happens. Yeah. Tomorrow's Mother's Day, and I'm hoping that maybe I get some time to do some chores, because you know what Mother's Day means. Go to your mother-in-law, go to your mother, spend some time with your wife. Nah, I don't think it's gonna happen. I really want to do some projects because I got these pipes and I got a cool plan for them. But yeah, if we don't get to execute that plan, I'm gonna be so sad. I want to do it this weekend. I really want to do it. Come on, let me play with my pipes. So I'm just gonna have to see if I can put in some time and just like have a little me time, have a little chore time. Sounds weird though, but it's like the real dad life. Awesome news, it started raining. That might sound a little weird, but I really had a fun day. We went to the city after dropping the kids off at soccer and had lunch for the first time during this whole pandemic on the terrace, which was awesome. So yeah, now it's back to business, back to doing these awesome chores. And the plan is to get these pipes and to, well, basically they don't fit. Let me show you what I mean. bought my wife this beautiful drinking tray for the birds with a bronze tattoo of a little bird on it, and the rain pipes are coming out, going under the terrace, under the pavement, and then come out in the garden. So we have the rain in the garden and the water's being catched, so the trees can actually drink it. But there's this ugly PVC pipe and I want to exchange it with these pipes. And these are well, this sink, I don't know the English word for it, but you guys know if you're in English. This isn't copper. It looks like copper, but it isn't copper. So what we're going to do is going to make this fit, because we got a diameter of the PVC pipe which is 80, and this pipe is also 80 millimeters, of course, but they don't fit together, and there's no connection that you can buy that makes them fit together. So I gotta do it myself. I'm not entirely sure if this is going to work, but the plan was getting this piece out, then I'll be able to pinch it together and just shove it into the pipe. Of course, with the open side up, and then the water just flows through and I have a connection. So I kind of hope that works. If not, then we'll see what happens next. One of the main reasons that I wanted to do this now is because the grass is gonna grow, because we seeded this last week and I'm expecting it to start growing now. Temperatures are rising. Well, expected to rise because like I still got my winter coat on, but expecting to rise tomorrow. And I want to get it in, so when the grass starts growing, I got the pipes installed, I got the soil flattened, everything ready for these little sprouts of grass to grow. And it's gonna be beautiful out here. So I better get cracking then. Well, that doesn't look too bad, but I almost forgot one thing, like super important. I almost forgot to announce the winner, the person that won the barbecue. Well, like, I can get away with it once, twice, maybe 3 times, but definitely not getting away with it this many times. Like I almost forgot like 4 times. So here we go. Best comment, Michael Jinoch. I would like to come to the Netherlands. I'm 2 meters tall, so it would be awesome to finally look somebody in the eye. Well, dude, I'm 2 meters tall as well. Morrison is like almost the same height. We're tall as F. That's right, buddy. Maybe I'll bring some Czech beer. Dude, you had me at beer. Like, seriously. So, come on over. The grill's yours. Let's make it happen, bro. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hope you guys enjoyed the end result. So, see you guys next time. Cheers.